Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
సార్ వాళ్ళని ఎందుకు సతాయిస్తారు పాపం వదిలేయండి.
No, ma'am, ఇట్లా ఏం లేదు. Good
Good morning, ma'am.
మీ సార్ అంతేనమ్మా, నాకు వేరే ఎన్నిసార్లు చెప్తారు ఆల్రెడీ. సార్ నేను స్టార్ట్ చేసుకుంటున్నా. ఇట్స్ ఓకే. రైట్ డౌన్ గర్ల్స్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ ద ఇడోగోనియం.
Okay, ma'am.
Did you understood the Volvox? It's clear, no? Once you can read out. If any doubt to ask me. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next you can write down. One second, ma. Write down the Idogonium classification first. Classification, class Chlorophyceae. Girls, you don't see this advertise. You can see only theory, listening part. Okay, this is not PPT. This one is the book like PDF book. This one. Don't see these other advertisements. Okay, you can observe only this part, theory part. Yes. Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Write down the classification of Idogonium, Chlorophyceae, Idogoniales, Idogonium. One second. You can write down the classification, ma. Chlorophyceae. Class is the Chlorophyceae. Order Idogoniales. Genus name, write down Idogonium. Genus name Idogonium.
Ma'am, your voice is not visible. Screen is not visible, ma'am.
Yes. Wait some time. Idogonium. This Idogonium also same as Chlorophyceae member. You know Chlorophyceae member, green algae, pigments, chlorophyll A and B. The reserve food material, same starch is present. Reproductive organ, reproduction also 3 types: vegetative, asexual, and sexual reproduction. In this Idogonium, where you can observe what is the difference in between Volvox and Idogonium. Yes or no, girls? The thallus name is called, what is the colony or cenobium, but this is a fully opposite to the Volvox. When the organization time, multicellular filamentous body. Yes or no, girls? I'll explain now. Multicellular unbranched filamentous body. See the thallus you can observe here in the Idogonium. In the Volvox is totally fully different. That is the colony, cenobium, same one. But here the total thallus is a multicellular filamentous this is the thallus. Here the Idogonium. What is the meaning of Idogonium? Eidos meaning swelling. Eidos meaning cell is swelling. Gonus meaning reproductive body. What is the meaning of swelling reproductive bodies is called Idogonium. Okay. Here this one also you can observe freshwater algae. You can observe in this one 400 species are present. In India, only 200 species reported from our India. They are very commonly, you can observe ponds, lakes, pools, etc. The filament attached to the, see here, some in the thallus time I'll explain. No, some of algal plant bodies to attach to the any substratum. Here the Edogonium plant body may get attached with the stones, wood leaves, or aquatic plants, small branches, the water, etc. This is called the how to attach by their basal cell or whole cell. Some species like Edogonium terrestria are terrestrial. See, this one is, you can observe to the Edogonium picture, ma? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
See, what
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
thallus? This one. What is the thallus? This one? ఏంటి థాలస్ ఎలా కనిపిస్తుంది మీకు? థాలస్ ఎలా కనిపిస్తుంది అన్న?
Abrasive.
Tell me anyone how to thallus you can observe.
Unbraced.
Yes, multicellular, filamentous, unbranched. When we can ask the Edogonium plant body, thallus is okay. But what is the thallus? Multicellular. This one is a cellular. Filamentous body, unbranched. This one is the thallus. Here I'll explain, no, in this Edogonium to attach to the any substratum. And the under the sea, under the water, rocks, dead plants, any dead animals, dead leaves, yes or no? Any substratum. How to attach these basal cell is there, no girls? This part, basal part. The basal cell name is called, basal part name is called basal cell. What is the name? Basal cell or hold fast. What is the name, ma? What is the name?
Hold fast.
Hold fast. See, this is the plant body. You can observe the basal part is the basal cell. Apical part is there, no, this portion. This apical part cell name is called apical cell or apical caps. What do you call this one? Apical cell or apical caps. See, this one plant body, you can observe. 1 second. This is the some Edogonium terrestria. These are the terrestrial Edogonium. The thalloid plant body, green in color, multicellular and filamentous plant body. This is the filamentous plant body. The filaments are unbranched. Each and every cell's filaments each and every filaments are attached end to end. See, this is a one cell, second cell, third cell. To attach it to the end to end form uniserrate row. This is called to form to the uniserrate row. The filament differentiated into 3 types of cells. Girls, write down, very important. This filament to differentiated into how many types of cells, ma? How many types? How many types of cells you can observe here?
3 types.
3 types. One is the basal cell. This is called basal. Where my arrow mark is there, no? Where my arrow mark? This one is the basal cell. This upward cell is called apical cell. In the medial part cell is called middle cell. The filament is differentiated into 3 parts or 3 types of cells to found. What is the basal cell? This one is the basal, no? What is the importance of in that cell? It is a lower most cell is of the filament is called the basal cell. The cell is very long, gradually narrow, very long but gradually narrow towards the basal end. It's expand from simple disc-like multi-lobed or finger. See, you can observe multi-lobed or finger-shaped structure is present. The cell is generally colorless. What is the importance of this cell? Function of this cell: fixation to the substratum and called holdfast. Okay, did you understood basal cell? Yes, ma? I think you can
Oh,
understand.
ma'am, explain again, ma'am.
Again, I will explain. Okay, it is three cells are there, no? One is the basal cell. Second cell is the apical. This is the basal part. This is the apical cell. In the middle part cell is the medium cell. First, I'll explain the basal cell. This part is the basal part. It is the lowermost cell of the filament. What is the structure of this cell? Very long, gradually narrow. This part is a narrow towards the basal end, expands to form a simple disc-like multi-lobed fingers. You can observe the edges. Finger-shaped structure is present. The cell is generally colorless, which performs what is the function of this one? To fixation to the substratum and called this basal cell, another name is called hold fast. Okay, now it's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
No response. Yeah, the second one is called apical cell. What is the apical cell? This part. This one is called apical cell. Apical cell, it is the topmost of the filament. Apical, you know, apex meaning upper side. It is the topmost of the filament. The cell is usually round towards the apical, but this cell is, see, round is there. This is a green in color, very opposite. No, this is a colorless basal one. This is the round shape and green in color, apical cell. This one is the apical and the middle cell. What are the middle cell? Middle cell and apical cell are alike. These cells are called middle cell. Here, the middle cell always longer than their breadth also. That is the rectangle in shape. You can draw the cell shape is a rectangle shape in shape. Towards the upper end, some cells a ring like. See here, girls, very important. This is the middle cells. No, each and every cell rectangle shape is there. You can observe, girls, where my arrow marks some horizontal lines are there. No, girls? Yes or no, girls? These lines. This one, these some ring-like structures are present. That ring-like structures is known as called cap cell or apical cell. Very, very, very important, girls. This is the Edogonium characteristic feature. You can observe to the other algae and Edogonium. Some another algae also
मैम మీ आवाज సరిగా అత్తలేదు.
filamentous algae and Edogonium. What, ma? Hello, tell me what happened.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear, ma'am.
Now it's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. Here, this apical ring-like structure capsule is most important. No, this is the Edogonium identification character, and in case in sometimes you can in practical time to give the mix of the algal. In that time, you can observe to the Edogonium. So, some algae same like that filamentous body, unbranched multicellular bodies are there, but where the Edogonium is there, in that Edogonium, these ring-like structures are there. That is the cap cell or apical cell. Tell me anyone, Edogonium identification character is, which one is identification character? Girls, tell me anyone, which one is the identification character?
Identification character.
Did you not understood? Huh? Yes or no? Anyone to express yourself? Did you understood or not? I don't know. What is that identification?
Ma'am.
Which okay, here I will explain to the apical cell. No ma, these apical cell or cap cell is the idogonium identification cell. Keep in your mind, idogonium is called the cap cell present. Same like that in the Volvox is the synobium colonial form. No, here also idogonium is a call to the cap cell or apical cell. వాల్వాక్స్ అనగానే సినోబియం కాలనీ ఎలా గుర్తొస్తుందో ఈడోగోనియం అంటేనే క్యాప్ సెల్ అండ్ ఎపికల్ సెల్ అని మీరు చెప్పాలి ఎవరైనా అడిగినప్పుడు. ఓకేనా? ఇట్స్ క్లియర్? Now it's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next, what is the important features of Idogonia? It is a freshwater algae. Like substratum, any ponds and sand particles are there, rocks. Plant body always unbranched filaments, differentiated in the apical and basal part. All cells are made up of the rectangle chloroplast. Here, presence of caps, young cell divisions are there. These are and vegetative cell is very elaborated. Asexual reproduction takes place by multiflagellate zoospore, where flagella arranged in the beak-like or apical region are there. Sexual reproduction, advanced and oogamous type. Here, female gamete name is called oogonium, oogum or oogonia. Male reproductive organ name is called anthrozoid or spermatozoid. Here, the male filament plant divided into, see here, based on the size of, this character is most important, girls. Based on the size of male filament, the plants are divided in two types or two groups, girls. Male filament formation batti ఈ ఇడోగోనియం ప్లాంట్ ని టూ గా డివైడ్ చేశారు. One is Macandrus and second one name is called Nanandrus. What are you? Anyone tell me?
Macandrus
What
and
is the two? Macandrus and Nanandrus. Capsule enta important. These names are how to divide, these are divisions are there. The size of male filament. That's where the plants too. Macandrus species, Nanandrus species. Macandrus type Antheridia develop into a filament normal size. Macandrus antheridia size is the development of male reproductive or male organ size very normal. But in Nanandrus type of antheridia develop very small in size. Name is called very common normal size. But you can compare to the Nanandrus species male, small in size, very thin male filament. That's where this is called dwarf male plant or dwarf Nanandria. Here remain attached in this dwarf male. The oogonia also attached in the lower side. This development is called androspore. Androspore means the single. Androsporangia is the that is a develop into the normal filament. These are same. After that one, to development of the oogonia and development of the antheridia, I'll explain later. Next one, you can observe the cell structure. What is the cell shape? I can observe, no? Each and every one rectangle, no cell? Yes or no, girls? What is the structure of cell? Rectangle shape is there. What is the structure? What is how to divide the cell? Intercalary cell very long and cylindrical outline. Each and every cell thick wall, ridge cell wall is present. Same, each and every cell wall differentiated into the 3 layers. Outer layer made up of chitin, middle layer made up of pectin, inner layer made up of cellulose. The cell is the longer, they bed cylindrical in shape. Each and every cell made up of 3 cell walls. Outer layer made up, first one is the 3 layer outer layer made up of chitin, middle layer made up of pectin, inner layer made up of cellulose. And this one protoplast and cytoplasm, chloroplast, nucleus, and single layer vacuoles all are present in the cell. And reticulate chloroplast, very important. What type of chloroplast is here? Reticulate chloroplast with embedded in the cytoplasm. Each and every cell, center cell within the cytoplasm may be eccentric condition. This is the structure of cell. Did you understood structure of cell? Yes or no?
What?
Did you understood? Once you can.
No, ma'am. Repeats once.
Once. See here, each and every cell, what is the structure of cell? Here we intracellular cells longer than breadth, cylindrical shape. Each and every cell surrounded by a cell wall, rigid cell wall. The cell wall differentiated into how many layers? 3 layers. Outer layer made up of chitin, middle layer made up of pectin, inner layer made up of cellulose. And just interior cell wall membrane is present. And these cell wall, same protoplast, cytoplasm, nucleus, vacuoles, these are all present. But what type of chloroplast is present? Reticulate chloroplast is present of cell. Now it's clear? Now it's clear, ma cell? అర్థమైందా సెల్?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one, ma, cell division. What is the cell division? See here, you can observe, girls, step by step I'll explain cell division. This is the filament cell. These are the one cell. You can growth of the filament takes place through cell division. How to growth the edogonium cells, how to filaments to form. The growth of the filament takes place through the cell division. All cells except which cell? See here, except holdfast. See, except all cells in the middle cell except apical cell, holdfast cell. You can 2 cells remove. But which cell? Except to the apical part cell and holdfast cell. All the cells, see here, you can observe all the cells divided except to the basal one and apical one. Middle cells divide through the cell division, restricted in some cells in the filament. See here, how to division? First, initially the nucleus. See, girls, you can observe the picture, so very important in this one. Initially, the nucleus becomes shifted from peripheral position. Center nucleus to form to move to the shifted from the peripheral center. Now in the normal cell, you can observe to the nucleus one side. When the starting from the cell, in that time, this nucleus move from peripheral position or center position, move slightly towards the upper of the side, towards the upper of the cell. This is the first one. Second one, ring-like thickening develops towards the upper part of the cell wall, which gradually increase in thickness. Ring-like thickness develops. See, girls, in this part, you can observe the second picture. When the after cell nucleus move from the center part, and in this time, You can observe upper part ring-like substance. You can observe. Yes or no, girls? Kanipistunnaya ring-like forms. Second dantlo, second picture lo. Yes or no, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
It's very important. Sometimes to ask the short question, the cell division of the idogonium. A ring-like, see, a ring-like thickening developed towards the upper part of the cell. This gradually thickness. This one gradually what happened? These rings gradually thickenings are present. Thickness. The nucleus undergoes mitotic division. See, this nucleus undergoes mitotic division to form how many are there here in the diagram? How many nucleus are there? Hello. How many nucleus? After mitotic division, form two nuclei. At the this is the what type of cell division? The phase is the telophase. You know, in the cell division, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. When the telophase cell plate to form each and every nucleus to move the ending part. This stage is the telophase structure. Here, see, this is the telophase develop and in floating condition which will develop in the future septum. See, girls, and see one nucleus move from this one, another one move. These cell plate move from the other side to form to the septum. What is this one? In the middle part is called, what is the meaning? What is the name of this one? Septum. Did you understood that one, septum? Yes? No? Yes or no? Anyone to respond?
Yes, ma'am.
A ring-like thickening gradually elongated. Ring-like thickening meaning this one. Yes or no, girls? This ring-like thickening is there. These ring-like thickenings gradually elongated, see, and split the mother wall towards the apical region. This ring expand much more, form a concave cylindrical structure. The rings material ultimately form upper daughter nucleus. See, a ring to form. After that one, this ring is the expanded to this one to remove to the move from the mother cell. This ring form this one to cut or to remove to the mother cell. This one is the daughter cell. After mother cell, the daughter, that is the daughter cell, upper part. The floating of septum gradually goes up the base. Further daughter, that is the top of the mother cell is called daughter cell. Here ruptured end and become fixed. Later is the cross. Here new side cell wall between the cuticle, plasma lemma, the total the cell cap is younger one develop into the old cells. Here, girls, another important character in this one, the cap cell, the number of cap cell. Here you can observe how many times the number of cap cells also same. And these both the counting part is the same, girls. Each and every count the cap, sometimes the cap cells and number of divisions also same, and division, redivisions, many divisions are there. That's where the cap cells to form in this cell division, the growth of the cell division. Okay, girls, did you understand the cell division? Tell me, girls. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, next I'll explain to the vegetative reproduction.
Yes, ma'am.
Vegetative reproduction.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes,
here
ma'am.
reproduction in Edogonia, 3 types, girls. In the Volvox, only 2 times you can write out. Here 3 times. One is the vegetative, second one asexual, third one is the sexual reproduction. What is the vegetative reproduction? Vegetative reproduction, it takes place commonly by
కొన్ని రోజులు వచ్చి ఎగ్జామ్ రాసిన వాళ్ళని సీట్ వచ్చింది.
girls. Unmute yourself. Girls, unmute yourself.
ఏ తిడుతుంది ఏ పోతుంది
Unmute yourself, ma. Lot of disturbance is going on. Yeah, it takes place by accidentally breakage of filaments. Commonly, fragmentation is the most important, girls. In this one is the fragmentation, which occurs either by accidentally breaking of the filament or by the drying out of some cells here and there after the formation of zoospores and actinides. Each fragment develop into a new filament. The vegetative reproduction takes place 2 types. One is the fragmentation type. The second one, akinete formation. Fragmentation actually takes place accidentally, breakage of the filament and dying of the intercalary cells or by formation of intercalary sporangia. These fragments capable of developing into a new filament of the Oedogonium. This is the one type. The second type is the akinides. During unfavorable condition, akinides formation is the during unfavorable become a very thick wall, reddish in color, reddish brown in color, round in that time, these akinides develop to form a new Oedogonium filament. They generally from in China, you can observe the development of akinides. Okay, girls, now I'll close it today class. I think today evening I'll complete it. Asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction in Oedogonium. Now it's clear, ma, today class?
Yes, ma'am.
Girls.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Shall I close the class?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Now it's
Thank you,
clear.
ma'am.
Thank you.